What's up YouTube? Welcome back, it's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm back with another home theater. It's from Sony. You can see it's a 4.1 home theater, and its model number is SA-D40. So this is the one which I've got delivered today from Amazon, and this thing also came let's say from my city, one side of my city. So there is only this plastic wrapping, you can see. That's it, but the box is intact. There is no sign of damage or anything. So let's open this up and see how this thing is, because I never tried a Sony home theater like this before. So let's try this. Well, this is the invoice, and the price is $7,999. Alright. Alright. And a nice smell. And this is the user manual, and all the detail is here. And this is the warranty card. You can see it's stuck here. There it is. So let's keep this aside, and here comes the channels, and also at the top you can see the accessories. So this is the power adapter. It's a 60-watt power adapter, 18 volt, 2.6 ampere. There it is. And this is the power cord, the AC power cord for the adapter, and the stereo input wire, you can see. Alright, and this is the remote control, which is a tiny one and a nice one, you can see. So nothing much is in here. The on off button, the function, the play pause, volume plus minus, and for navigation buttons at the middle. Just this buttons are here. So that's it. But it's a cute thing. The remote is so cute, you can see. Now let's take the channels out. Well, this is the one, the channels. But the driver would be 2.5 inch, I think. And there's a front grille, it's metal grille, and there is a Sony logo, and the body is plastic, but it's so hard plastic. And there is a wall mount option at the back. So this is the channel. This is another one. The third one. And this is the fourth and the last one. So there are the 4 channels. And now let's take the bad boy out of this box. This is not that heavy like the Philips one. Alright, so this is it. This is the front side and the bottom side. And you can see the speaker is here, the driver 6.5 inch, I think. Yeah, I guess. and this is the bus reflex port, and the buttons are here, the auto button function, and there are the LED lights will be here, and this is the rewind button, play pause button, and the forward button, and this is what is a USB port, and you see multimedia speaker system SA-D40. This is the one, and this is the back side, and this cute plastic cover here with the ventilation here, and at the bottom here the speaker connections, and see the 4 speakers will be connected here, and on this side, on this side, this is the connection for the power adapter, you can see, and at the top side this is TV input, the stereo input. So that's it. And I didn't find any control for the bass, and the remote control I don't see any. There might be or might not, I'm gonna see later. So this was the unboxing video of this Sony SA-D40 4.1 home theater speaker, and you heard a sound demo at the beginning of this video. I'm gonna do a detailed sound test video later with a different kind of music, so stay tuned for that. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.